Rajasusila Holistics. Now we will see how are the love energies for Sagittarians this week. We have undergone a lunar eclipse in the recent past. So the lunar eclipse impact will be there on all the zodiacs. Some zodiacs will get good vibration and some zodiac will not be up to the mark. So it will tell upon lot of mental turbulence and mental agony and thinking and overthinking, illusionary fears and phobias. These are all the outcome of the lunar eclipse which we saw just a few days ago. So for each zodiac it will differ. We will see how it is for you, for Sagittarians, what impact it is going to do, and in general also how this week from Tuesday to Tuesday is going to be for you. We will see what message you got from the universe. Be a magnet for light, love and joy. You should always behave in such a way, or you should be in such a way that you are a magnet of light, love and joy. Whoever you will attract love and joy from the universe, and you will spread to everybody around you. You should be in that way. Everybody should come to you that they can find some solace from you in their hard times, that you will be spreading love, you will be spreading light and joy in their lives. And the second card, what the universe is going to send for you is Lama. Set clear boundaries and enforce them. It is the time that you plan for your future, you plan for the time ahead, and you set some boundaries that what all you are going to do and how you are going to take the relationship ahead, and you set some timing for them and start enforcing them in such a way that everything goes by your planning and you can take everything ahead with clear mind and clear setup. Now we will see what the tarot cards have in store for you, for your past, your present and future. For the past, the card you have got is 8 of Wands. 8 of Wands says that something would have happened in your life that would have happened with a rapid speed before even you acknowledge what has happened in your life. It would have happened and it would have the situation would have passed away. It was a amazing time for you. You don't know why it's happening and when it happened. And in the present, when we see you have got the card 5 of Swords. So 5 of Swords says you are in a position where you have won over your situations and you are victorious in your situation. But at the same time, it tells that you will be in a mental struggle. You struggle very hard mentally. You will not be very agitating mind you will have now. You will feel that everything you should hold in your hand and everything should come in your way. Something is going away from me. That sort of feeling you will get, and you will try to protect more and more your relation. That's what it says. And the second card what you have got is 4 of Pentacles. You will hold back to what you have got. You will again think, you will be satisfied by your relation. You will think it is going well. At the same time, you will feel that you want something more in this relation, and you will hold back and think back, and you don't want to come out of the comfort zone. Whatever it is, you will feel that there should be something more that should be happening in your life. And 6 of Swords say that the situation is right now very good for you. Whatever mental struggles you have, or whatever depressions you have, or whatever you think and fears and phobias you have about this relation will pass away. It will pass away very smoothly. It will go away from your mind. and your mind will be cleared. You will be in a clear position, and what the future wants to say, two of wands, you have everything, but same as the four of pentacles say, you will feel that you want more in this relation. You want to take the relation to the next step. You will be feeling, that's what will be in your mind. In spite everything is going good, you want the relationship to go to the next level. You will be thinking about it, and ace of wands says that you will definitely do it. You can do it, you can get success in it, you can go ahead, there is no problem in it. You can take your relation, you can make it as a committed relation. And queen of swords says victory is yours. You can get victory in this. Whatever you think, you can very easily, you can have a yes from your partner, and you can take your relationship to be a committed relationship. You can go ahead very well, you can sail very well, there is no problem. And two of cups says that it is partnership, marriage, partnership, engagement, coming together, union of you and your partner, it all it says. So it is going to be a very, very good time ahead for you guys. And now we will see what the conclusion message the universe wants to say for you. It has sent the card Anthurium for you. Give more from your side to your partner, so that your relationship goes very well and you have a bright future. If you like our video, kindly like it, share it and subscribe it.